Hey up, my little winter bunnies. Are you back? That's good. I got another cracking winter set for you. So I've done a brand new clear base, sculpted out a ballerina set this time. And first off, coming in on the pointer using the very beautiful Meridian from the Winter Ice collection. And I'm doing this one as though it has a glass tip. That's why I'm trailing it down and I'm starting to, what's the word? Spread it out towards the tip. So, yeah, more like a trail towards the tip for it to be completely glass right at the edge. And then onto the middle nail. And this is a marble. Now I am using Baby Shower, Ice Blue and Punk Purple to do this. So the darkest colour that you see in there, not this one that I'm putting on, that's the Ice Blue, that lovely blue. The darkest colour, well you can actually tell that it is a purple, look. The one in there, that's the Punk Purple. That's a brand new colour, hasn't been released yet. And of course the light blue is Baby Shower. So all I'm doing, I'm double dipping, like alternate. So I'm going into Baby Shower and Ice Blue, doing a trail with that, then Baby Shower and Punk Purple. Just like mixing it up as I go along. And then have a look at the design to see what colour I need to fill in where, to accent it more, and then just add that colour in as well. See, honestly, I don't think you can go wrong with a marble, as long as you don't like go overboard and splodge and splodge and splodge until it's just one big mush, you know. But like, if you just work with small beads, instead of trying to like bundle on 5-6 small beads and then try to marble them all together, is a lot easier. I mean, it is more time consuming, but it's a lot easier to do it like either bead by bead or just double dipping small beads and trailing them across. Over to the pinky and doing another glass tipped nail using Meridian, same as the pointer. Oh, and if you want to know what I did on the thumb, I did a triple ombre. What was it? Punk Purple on the tip, in the middle Ice Blue, and then Baby Shower from the cuticle. And then back over to the ring finger, and this is another marble. And again, I'm just doing basically the exact same pattern. Same colours, same kind of pattern. And I have speeded this one up slightly as well. Then once you're happy with your marble and you've let it dry a smidge, you can then add in a tad of glitter just to give it an extra kick. Just cause. If you got it, why not? Chuck it in. You can never have too much glitter, you know? Never. This glitter is a glitter acrylic mix. It is called Frozen, also from the Winter Ice collection. Then when I'm finished with the glitter, I'm going to let that dry before I then come back and I cap all of the nails. And so I've done a snowdrift, like this one, on the middle nail, which is one of the marbles. And then I'm doing, and I didn't bother putting that on camera as well because I just thought I'd show you just the one snowdrift instead. So they're exactly the same technique with both. I'm just using white gel paint and a liner brush. Basically what I'm doing is when I'm drawing the lines down the nail, it's to give me an idea of where I want the snow to drift down, if that makes sense. Like icicles but in snow. And then I'm just filling in around it, really, making it look a bit more realistic. And then before I put it in the lamp to cure, I'm sprinkling on some white iridescent fine glitter. And once you've got it fully covered, you want to tap on the finger to tap away the excess. This will also force the glitter particles to sink slightly into the white gel, so it's got a better hold for when it is fully cured. And then all I'm going to do, I'm going to add on some unicorn chrome, unicorn powder, Aurora powder, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to cover it all over this ring finger. So I give it a good rub in with whether I'm using like one of these magic sticks. I don't even know why I call it a magic stick, I just do, okay? Because it works magic. So I either use magic stick or I use like an eyeshadow applicator or a sponge to put it on. And then when I'm happy with the coverage, then I use my finger to just like quickly go whoosh 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 over the top, because I always find that it gives it like an extra shine. I don't know why, it works. It works for me. So I keep on doing it. Look. Woof. Shiny. A little blob of glue. I'm using Glitterama's new brush on glue. And a little Swarovski. And then once the glue's set in place, I'm just using the new Glitterama top coat to then go over all of the unicorn chrome and around that little Swarovski as well. So I'll use like the normal gel polish brush, not gel polish, normal top coat brush to get the gel around as close as I can, around the cuticle and around the Swarovski. And then when I finish doing that, I'll use like a small fine liner to just put top coat right around the edge of that Swarovski, so it's like totally sealed in. And then into the lamp for a full cure. And then using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free wipe, I'm just going to wipe over the 2 dusted nails to remove all the excess, and hey presto! So as always, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this set. Remember, stay slaying, and I'll see you next time. Bye!